Data is transforming the maritime industry by improving efficiency, safety, and environmental sustainability. Utilizing extensive data from ships, ports, and logistics, companies can optimize routes, reduce fuel use, and anticipate maintenance, lowering costs, and minimizing downtime. Real-time data analytics enhance decision-making and risk management, while advanced algorithms and machine learner help prevent issues. Additionally, big data supports regulatory compliance and environmental monitoring, ensuring adherence to international standards and reducing ecological impacts. In summary, big data is key driver in making the maritime sector smarter and interconnected.